The accompanying table describes results from the groups of 8 births from 8 different sets of parents. The random variable x represents the number of girls among 8 children. We're going to complete parts A through D below. Now the question states, it says find the probability of getting exactly 6 girls in 8 births. Now a probability distribution is a description that gives the probability for each value of the random variable. The given table to the right shows a probability distribution of the random variable x. Now, the question is asking the following. It says find the probability of getting exactly 8 girls. So that means when x is equal to 6. So when we look at the value of x when it's 6, what is the probability here to the right? Well, we notice that the probability is 0.139. So, using the given table to identify the probability of exactly 6, the probability of getting exactly 6 girls in 8 births is 0.139. Now the next question states the following. It says, find the probability of getting 6 or more girls in 8 births. And note that 6 or more is the same as at least 6. So we want to find the probability of 6 or more, which is equal to the probability of 6 plus the probability of 7 plus the probability of 8. So now we want to find the probability of 6, 7, and 8 in here. So that's the same thing here, which is the following values. So the probability of getting exactly 6 girls was equals 0.139. And then what is the probability of 7 and what is the probability of 8? Well, the probability of 7 is 0.042. The probability of 8 is 0.06. So now we're going to add those probabilities. So when we add those probabilities, again, we're going to get the following. We're going to get 0.139 plus 0.042 plus 0.006. When we add them together, it gives us 0.187. Therefore, the probability of getting 6 or more girls in 8 births is 0.187. Now, part C, which probability is relevant for determining whether 6 is a significantly high number of girls in 8 births? The result from part A or the result from part B? Now note that X successes among N trials is a significantly high number of successes if the probability of X or more successes is 0.05 or less. Note that the probability in part A is for exactly 6 successes, whereas the probability in part B is for 6 or more successes. Therefore, the result from part B, since it is the probability of the given or more extreme result. Let's take a look at part D. Is 6 a significantly high number of girls in 8 births? Why or why not? And then use 0.05 as the threshold for a significant event. Now note that the X successes among N trials is a significantly high number of successes if the probability of X or more successes is less than 0.05. Recall that the probability that we got for the probability of 6 or more equals 0.187. Therefore, we would say no, since the appropriate probability, which is 0.187, is greater than 0.05. It is not a significantly high number.